Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you an Amazon hack that I'm going to do. I'm going to glam up these two items that I got from Amazon. As you can see, they are plain and simple and still looking nice, but if you would like to fix them up one more notch, just grab your tea/coffee and a donut with that, and let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with the makeup organizer, and it comes in two parts, as you see here. Doesn't it look nice? I love the acrylic, it looks very nice. So we are going to start with the top half, and I'll be using these strips that I got from Walmart. And we're just going to place the strips going right around the top part of the container. And these strips that you get from Walmart, the adhesive on them are very strong, and like how this is acrylic, it will stick very well. So make sure when you're placing it down, you place it in the right spot, because to lift it back up is not easy. So we're just going to continue putting the strips going right around. Now I'll be using some of this bling wrap that I got from Totally Dazzled, and I just cut it into the thin strip, and I'll just be using some hot glue and placing the strip going right around the top part of our Walmart strip. And you can use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your bling wrap going right around. Now we are going to do the bottom part of our makeup organizer. And it has 3 drawers on the bottom half. And inside comes with this little velvet sheet, which is very nice. So we are just going to take the drawer out, and we're going to use some of these gems here. You can get from Walmart or Dollarama. And we are going to just glue them going on the sides of each drawer. Okay, here's how it looks. Doesn't it look nice? And it's inside the container, not on the outside, which is so cute. So now I'm going to place some of these gems on the 3 little handles going down. Now we have our jewelry stand, which I think is so nice. So I'll be using the other bling sheet from Walmart. Remember, you get 3 strips in the pack, so I'm using the middle strip, and I'll be placing it around the bottom of our jewelry stand. Again, these tapes I told you from Walmart have a strong adhesive, so we don't need to use nothing else to lay them down. And like I said, please make sure you're putting it exactly where you want it, so you don't have to peel it up, because you will struggle. Now I'll be using some more of the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, and I cut it into strips, and I'm going to wrap the strip going around each of the stands that we have. There's 3 of them. There's a small one, the medium, and then the tall one in the back. So we're just placing the glue, as you can see, and then just wrapping it around. After wrapping it for a bit, I just found the easier way. Put the glue, wrap it 2 times, and then put some more glue in one little spot, and then wrap it 2 times again, all the way to the top. This is much easier and faster than trying to glue right around everything like I was doing in the beginning. No, wrap it 2 times, put some glue, wrap another 2 times, put some glue, till you reach the top. It's much easier this way. And this one's done, so I'm just going to continue and do the other 3, and then I'll come back to you guys. So here we go. I finished wrapping all 3 of them. I think it looks nice. So now I'm going to use some smaller strips and wrap around just the end of each of these things here.
Wanna wear all of them nice rings. Yeah, no, I know you want designer. You don't want nothing but designer. Yeah, I know you want all them nice things. No, you wanna wear all of those nice rings. Yeah, I know you want designer. Nothing but designer, no, no. But you don't make me feel like
And now I'm going to take some 3 strips and wrap it around here, make it look a little bit more neater. Cause it does look a little funny to me with it just stopping right there at the top. So I'm just going to add these little strips and make it look a little fuller. I think that looks much better already.
good time. When your family come around,
And here is our finished look.
you tell them that I'm this, tell them that
I like how they turned out. You can just buy any little item that you like, buy it nice and plain, although it still does look elegant all by itself. And then you can just step it up a notch, add some glitz and glam to it, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Now I got these items to be gifted, and I just love how they turned out.
I know you want all them nice things. Know you wanna wear all those nice rings. Yeah, I know you want designer. Nothing but designer, no, no.
I love the Walmart bling at the bottom, and then the bling wrap going all the way around to the top of the 3 stands. Oh, it looks absolutely beautiful. I love how it looks. And then our makeup organizer, oh, with the gems on the side and the bling going around. I think it looks elegant and nice, just like this. Didn't need nothing else, because you still want the acrylic to show, because that is also part of the beauty of the container. And I think it looks absolutely beautiful just like this. And I love that it comes with the black velvet inside. And here's our items displayed with some jewelry on them. I think it looks so cute. They look absolutely lovely. Now, I'm not a makeup girl. Nope, so I do not have any makeup to display in the makeup holder for you guys, the makeup organizer. But I do have jewelry, so I put the jewelry on the stand. But I think they look absolutely beautiful. Lovely gift idea, or just to make it for yourself. Absolutely beautiful. And here they are with just some silver jewelry on them. Yeah, I think it looks elegant and nice. A lovely gift idea, or like I said, a lovely item for yourself. See how easy it is to just buy something and then add added touch to it, and you got another whole and beautiful item for yourself or to be gifted. Alright everyone, tell me down below what you think of today's Amazon hack. Yes, how we revamp these Amazon items. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. Yeah. And if you're new here, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell twice so you will be notified every time I upload another video to share. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIY. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.